Hello, we're back and we're doing a physics problem trying to determine the final velocity of a ball after it has rammed into another ball in an elastic collision. This ball is a 5.07 kilogram ball and it's moving with a velocity v1 initial, little arrow, equal to 1.92 meters per second. And then this ball over here, we'll call this ball 2, and this ball has a 7.3 kilograms and it's stationary, but we want to know what happens when these two balls have an elastic collision. So we're going to use conservation of momentum and conservation of energy to solve this. So this is going to say that mass 1 initial plus mass 2 times velocity 2 initial is going to be equal